Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how to break into travel writing? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, it's not as hard as you might think. Picture yourself on a sun-soaked beach, pen in hand, jotting down your thoughts as the waves crash nearby. Or perhaps you're in a bustling city, soaking up the culture and the atmosphere, and translating those experiences into compelling prose. This is the allure of travel writing, the freedom it offers, the opportunity to explore different cultures, and the chance to meet new people. But hold on, it's not just about the glamorous locations or exotic cuisines. It's about having a passion for both writing and travel. It's about being able to capture the essence of a place, its people, and their stories. It's about sharing these experiences with others, inspiring them to explore the world too. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of travel writing, let's get started with these easy steps. The first step to breaking into travel writing is understanding the basics of the craft. Good writing skills are paramount, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. You need a strong command of language, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to paint vivid pictures with words. Your readers should be able to see the golden sunset, taste the exotic cuisine, or smell the wildflowers just by reading your prose. But writing, while important, is only half the battle. You also need to be a skilled researcher. You need to be able to weave facts into your narrative seamlessly, making your stories not only entertaining but also informative. The best travel writers are able to transport their readers to a different place while also teaching them something new about it. Now that we've got the basics down, it's time to move on to the next step. A strong portfolio is a travel writer's best friend. It's your ticket to showcasing your skills and landing writing gigs. Think of it as a curated collection of your best work, a reflection of your unique voice and perspective. Start small. You don't need to jet off to exotic locations right away. Begin with local travels, explore the hidden gems in your own backyard. Write about these familiar places with a fresh lens, capturing the essence of the locale in your words. Remember, variety is the spice of life and your portfolio. Mix up your pieces with different styles and formats. From long-form essays to snappy listicles, show potential clients that you can adapt your writing to suit different needs. Your portfolio is more than just a compilation of work. It's a testament to your versatility, creativity, and passion for travel writing. With a robust portfolio in hand, you're ready to take the next step. Pitching stories and networking are crucial components of breaking into travel writing. Crafting a compelling pitch is like weaving a captivating story, but in miniature. It's about sparking curiosity, making the editors want to see your story come to life. Find the right outlets for your work, research their style, their audience, and tailor your pitch accordingly. Building relationships with editors and other writers is another key step. Attend writing workshops, join online forums, participate in writing communities. These connections can open doors to opportunities and provide invaluable feedback on your work. In today's digital age, the importance of social media and online networking cannot be overstated. Build a robust online presence, share your work, engage with your audience and peers. Platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram can be powerful tools to connect with editors, fellow writers, and passionate readers. With your pitches out there and your networking underway, you're well on your way to breaking into travel writing. The final step in breaking into travel writing is perhaps the most important: persistence and continuous learning. In any creative pursuit, especially writing, resilience is key. You'll face rejection, possibly more times than you'd care to count, but it's crucial to remember that each no is simply a stepping stone on your path to yes. Feedback, too, is invaluable. It's a window into other perspectives, a chance to refine your craft, to make your next piece even better than the last. And let's not forget about continuous improvement. The world is an ever-changing tapestry of stories waiting to be told. Stay curious, keep exploring, learn from every experience, every person you meet, every place you visit. Never stop learning, for it's the fuel that keeps the flame of creativity burning bright. With persistence and a commitment to continuous learning, you're well equipped to carve out your own path in the exciting world of travel writing. Remember, every journey begins with a single step.